So here we are with the DA50 RG. This is the one we saw at Private Flyer, serial number 14. A few numbers for you. 750 nautical mile range, cruise of 181 knots, fuel burn of 9 US gallons of Jet A an hour. But you don't get those numbers all at the same time. Okay, so to give some idea of just how big it is, the tail up here sits 9'8" above the ground. That's bloody massive. The wingspan's 44 feet. So the DA50 RG is a 5-seater. To make use of those 5 seats, you need to have some useful load. So this has got 560 kilos of useful load, 195 litres of Jet A weighs about 156 kilos. So you've got plenty of load to spread around between you, yourself, your family, your friends, your luggage, and all the gold bars in the world.
Let's just slow right down. Slow as a throttle. Go fully configured. I just want to show you something. Oh. So gear can come down. Take off flap. And let's just maintain 2,800. Landing flap. Okay, just keep 2,800. Trim all the way back now. Fully after him. Okay, so now we're stalled. Okay, just try a shallow left degree bank turn. Shallow right degree bank turn. Degree we've got aileron authority. We're maintaining 60 knots and we're descending 600 feet per minute. So why do we need a caps parachute? So if we had an engine failure, so IMC,
yeah,
this is what the factory are teaching as well. So fully after him. Stick all the way back and you just descend at roughly about 600 feet per minute. We're going to get wet in a minute.
Yep. Okay, so what do I think? Well, the DA50 is a very interesting, very competent, very capable aeroplane. Every single detail of the interior is beautifully made. The quality is just oozing from everything you touch, which is absolutely fantastic and something that's great. Back to those numbers, yeah, clearly you don't get 9 gallons an hour at 181 knots, and 181 knots is true airspeed up at 16,000 feet. But that's where you want to be if you can get some great weather. It's got TKS de-icing. So it's a very capable single engine IFR tourer that is also just as happy at home if it's VFR touring. In terms of the competition, how does it compare? It's kind of horses for courses. This is one big airplane. That 44-foot wingspan is really big, and if you've got a hangar that takes a kind of normal sized airplane, should we say, then you're going to have to think again and figure out where to put it. So yeah, no, absolutely fantastic airplane, flies really nicely. Nose wheel steering is fully cast ring nose wheel on it, which kind of makes it a little bit heavy, so you have to be a little bit positive with it, shall we say, on the ground when you're manoeuvring. But absolutely great airplane. €1 million. It's got some tough competition at €1 million, not least of which is, you know, maybe you'd spend a little bit more and get a DA62 instead. I don't know, but yeah, no, great airplane.